Hello everyone. Uh, this is my new project. It's called Crab Tank. So I welcome you all in my new project. As you can see here, the four tank. This is a modular pack. You're seeing it from the substance. So this is the first one is this one. This is heavy tank with 4 barrels and one machine gun. This one is with 2 barrels and one machine gun. This is a medium tank, and these two with the machine gun, heavy machine gun, 4 machine gun, and one rocket launcher, and also this one is 4 Gatling gun and one rocket launcher. So these two is the light tank type 1, type 2. So this is a conceptual design. Actually, this asset is ideal for any kind of RTS game or RTS project. So imagine it's like a unit and it's ready to fight and it's coming out from the war factory or something like this. So I just made it like that for the RTS unit, and it's a pretty low poly, and you can separate here. You can see here there are 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12, and there are 12 texture set, and all the texture set are okay, and you can assemble the tanks like the parts of it. So I will this is from the substance. I will show you from the Unity and then the Unreal. Hope you are enjoying it. So I will continue it in Unity. Thank you all. Keep watching. Okay, you are seeing the crab tank from the Unity HDRP. So you are seeing it from Unity 2020. So you see the tanks are in a different size. I mean the big one, the heavy one is the largest one, and then this is the medium one. I can maximize the view and you will get the idea that this is the heavy tank and this is the medium one. So medium tank is a bit small than the heaviest one, and this is the light tank type 1, light tank type 2. Okay, so you get the idea of this. Okay, and imagine this is a RTS unit coming out from the RTS war factory or something. So it will be very amazing to see. Yeah, and the asset is coming with, you see, the ground, and yeah, the textures prefab. Yeah, this is the textures. So all the textures are 4K. Yeah, and then here is the prefab, the tanks prefab, like this you can see here. Okay, and then you have the materials. So 12 parts, 12 materials. Yes, so this is fully ready for the Unity HDRP. Users can have it and directly import it in their project. So yes, this is done from Unity. I will continue it in Unreal. So hope you are enjoying, and if you need this asset, just text me below and contact me. I will glad to share this asset with you, and I will be happy to know that you are using my assets in your projects. So thank you. Keep watching for the Unreal one. So thank you. Okay, here is the trap tank with Unreal Engine 5.3. You are seeing it from the Unreal Engine 5.3. So it's like the Unity. You can see here the four tanks, and I put some mannequin for the human size reference. So this is actually all are the same size actually, but you can you can resize it like the Unity I showed, that heavy tank is bigger, the medium tank is a bit medium size, and the light tanks are small, a bit small. So it's the actual size of that four tanks. So you can, here's like the Unity, you can have you see the materials is there, and also you can have the textures, but the textures are 4K, by the way. All of my assets are 4K. So if I can maximize the view, let's say, okay, so you can have a better look of this one. You can see here this is the actual size. Yeah, it's like it's ready for a war or something. So it's very ideal for RTS kind of game, and I love to see it's moving, and it's in the battlefield. So it's like a very, very good approach, or a very good process if somebody use it like a game of a command and conquer kind of game or something. So okay, so hope you enjoyed this one, and uh, I will keep coming with this kind of projects. And if you need this asset, you just text me and you just contact me. So you will have this asset for your projects. So thank you, and have a nice day, and keep supporting me, keep supporting uh, my artwork, and stay with me. Okay, thank you everyone. I see you next time.